A slight 1.1% growth is estimated for Bitcoin, CoinCodex reports for May 25. But before we move on, here's what's going on right now. Bitcoin has moved up 1.7% in the last day and is currently near $76,777.20. Let's review the analysts' latest outlooks. The forecast by CoinCodex points to $77,646.43 tomorrow, a level that's nearly 1.1% higher than now. CoinPrice forecast foresees Bitcoin heading for $77,325, roughly 0.7% more than the current price. According to CoinLore, it could strengthen towards $76,967, an upward move of 0.2%. Another outlook from Traders Union sees Bitcoin heading downward to $76,155.73, a drop of approximately 0.8%. And to wrap up, CoinDataFlow predicts $75,784.42 by tomorrow, a decrease of 1.3%. This one shows the highest return potential. That wraps up the outlook for tomorrow. Time to see what else is ahead. All 5 forecasts reviewed. Here's what they suggest in numbers. Looking across the forecasts from each market expert, the price may shift anywhere between a drop of 1.3% and a rise of 1.1%, depending on the analyst. As the data shows, CoinDataFlow offers the top projected return with 1.3% gain in value by May 25. Looking at the numbers, you could earn between $2 and $13 for every $1,000 you invest. With volatility factored in, CoinLore's forecast suggests the most probable outcome, with a 75.4% chance of success. Looking at the full set of forecasts, I've formed a consensus picture. Based on the consensus, Bitcoin is projected to stay close to $76,775.72. Let's peel back the layers. The consensus projection points to a 0% increase in price under current conditions. Under those conditions, your capital may also show an increase of roughly 0%. If you used 1,000 here, the move might show a potential profit of around. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 77.3%. On to the next, let's go through how analysts anticipate the price will evolve over the 3 days. CoinCodex projects an ascending trajectory for Bitcoin. For the near term, meanwhile, CoinPrice forecast expects Bitcoin to follow an ascending path. The view from CoinLore is that Bitcoin will hold its ground without a decisive trend. Meanwhile, Traders Union believes no significant shifts are coming. CoinDataFlow sees the price heading higher. Combining all projections, the consensus signals that Bitcoin is tilted upward over the 3-day period. At this point, 80% of analysts expect Bitcoin to move higher, reflecting a clear bullish bias. 5 forecasts came out 2 days ago. Now we look at accuracy. In the end, the closing candle marked $76,747.10. In this case, only 2 forecasts lined up with the actual move. If we look at forecast accuracy, the best result came from digital coin price. Time to check the outcome in detail. A total of 2 predictions ended up inside the daily range. Regarding ROI, a few analysts delivered profits, and crypto predictions ranked first among them. Here's the outcome summary, showing how accurate and effective each forecast was. As part of today's review, CoinLore posted -1.2% ROI and $1,110.90 accuracy. Look over the numbers. Which forecast do you think held up best? Now let's see how the predicted profitability for tomorrow varies between Bitcoin and other assets. Bitcoin is placed in 5th position for tomorrow's potential returns, with render showing 0.3%. Currently, Bitcoin is matched with 4 randomly selected cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability view is already included on my website. Before we end, let me know which analyst impressed you most, and make sure you're subscribed for more daily reviews. Talk soon.